Hello, Argos. Another semester is almost ending, with most of us graduating. Some of us will be starting our own businesses, with others working for other people in other companies. Today, I have come with the best career tips you need to help you to face challenges and to strive to achieve success in your career world. Focus on your strength. Know that no one is tailor-made for any particular thing, and no one is fit enough for anything that comes their way. There will be people who will be exceptionally good at things than you, but instead of feeling bad, remember that a little weakness is needed for success. From a naughty youngster to a responsible man is a great turnaround. Therefore, challenges and mistakes are inevitable. Instead of being discouraged, rather focus on your strength. Do not let failure scare you. Stepping out of the shoes of a student to a 9-to-5 employee is rather challenging. Know that mistakes are bound to happen. Instead of dwelling on those mistakes, rather pick yourself up, dust yourself, fix those mistakes, and move ahead smarter and experienced. Strive for excellence and success will follow. The norm will change once you are out of college. From a carefree world full of fantasies to a world where everyone is going about their businesses, rather in a more serious way. Do not focus on money, rather strive to be excellent in everything that you do. The world outside is very competitive, where survival of the fittest is the rule of the day. So, be your own critic, point out your own mistake, and know that nobody knows it better than you do. And finally, do not wait for opportunities, create them. Opportunities will not come over to you. You simply have to work on your dreams and opportunities will be created. Giving up shall certainly not be an option. Do not quit even if you do not see light at the end of the tunnel. It may not be the path that offers a lot of opportunities, but it sure does have a silver lining. Life is all about the adventures you have had and the lessons you have learned whilst failing at many things, so make it worth it. I hope we have all learned something. I wish you all the best in a world filled with opportunities. Make the most of it.